Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Answer the Public Alternatives exports for USA topics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Answer the Public Alternatives and press enter. Review the search results to find websites that offer similar services. Choose a platform that suits your needs, such as Ubersuggest or SEMrush. Once you select a site, click on the link to access it. If necessary, create an account or log in using your existing credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard or the keyword research section. Enter a relevant topic or keyword related to USA themes into the search bar. Click the search button to generate data about your chosen topic. Take a moment to analyze the keyword suggestions and insights provided. Look for an option to export the data, often labeled as download or export. Select your preferred file format, such as CSV. Confirm the download by clicking the appropriate button. Wait for the file to download to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the exported file to review the insights and suggestions generated. Utilize these insights for your content creation or marketing strategy. Repeat this process with other tools for more comprehensive results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.